Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add a PDF and create a unique link in Squarespace. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your site, guys. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go to the editor over here on the top left. And now from here, guys, just simply select where you are going to add the PDF. So for example, this text over here. So I'm going to click on it. And now I'm gonna select a specific text. So let's say over here, this is a download now, and I'm just gonna simply select it. And now from here, you should be able to see this option over here, this link icon. So click on this. And after that, just simply go for the URL over here and a drop down will show up, and just simply go for the file. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and click on upload over here and just simply upload a PDF from your computer and click on open. And once it is done uploaded, guys, you can just simply select it. And after that, you should be able to just simply click on save on the top left corner of the screen over here. And now when we go to the exit on the top left again, and we go to the preview on the top right over here, as you can see, when we click on download now, it will redirect us to the PDF that we have. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.